Now we will upload our first video on YouTube channel. Go to create and click on upload video. Select files. I'll go to how we'll create the logo video. I will upload it on my channel. Now you can see the video is getting uploaded. This is the status of it. This is the title which I have kept. I have to create a thumbnail for this. We create a playlist. It is not you created using AI, so I selected this as no. These are all the features which have been selected basis the settings which we have kept it as. Tags I will for now keep as YouTube with Saave. Create logo, create channel logo, create YouTube channel logo. The language is English, so I will select it as English. It doesn't matter. These are all the settings basis what we had done during our setting up of the channel. I will fill this in a later stage. I will show you of how to add an end screen afterwards. And I will click on maybe schedule for today evening 6 p.m. That's up to you. You can select whatever timeline you want. Now I will first search for keywords. What are the common keywords? So I will go to keywordtool.io, YouTube channel logo. I'm searching for some keywords. I also have a paid tool, but this is kind of a free tool which I will use first. And you can see these are kind of the general search items for which people are searching on YouTube. Okay, so these are some of the ones, and I also have a paid tool which is called vidIQ. I will also search create logo for YouTube channel. So this one is also good. This is the exact search query, in fact. You can see there are a lot of keywords. YouTube logo. So you can select. Now it has exceeded the limit. So I will select some of these which were the high rankers. I will use ChatGPT. Write YouTube video description, which is a tutorial for creating YouTube channel logo using free tool like Canva. We focus on keywords. The keywords, I'll select 2 3 keywords which I have used. Yeah, YouTube logo. So this will basically give us a description for the video, which will focus on using the keywords for better search engine optimization for a video. Also, we need to create a thumbnail. So thumbnail, again I use vidIQ. Again, this is a paid version, but you can do the same exercise even in the free version. Create a YouTube video thumbnail which showcases how to create step by step process on how to create YouTube channel logo using Canva free version. I'm still giving it a very basic query. Let's see what's the output. You're awaiting this, and then we'll just incorporate those over here. Yeah, so this looks good. I will use it as it is. Just some tweaking. Okay, I will add my channel name over here. Okay, now we have to create a thumbnail. This looks good as of now, and I will download this for now and just add my logo over here. Delete this. YouTube with Saave. Make it as This looks good. And I will incorporate the and also click. Okay, so this I feel good. I click on download and there is current page. And click on upload file. So everything is done. Go ahead. For now, we'll just add as subscribe button since we don't have more videos right now. So and adjust this length. Yeah, and we can do it right now also. Okay, public. That means it will get published right now immediately. And this is done. And our video is published.